Hi everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and today I'm going to share with you how I made these adorable little ghosties, so stick around and we'll get to it. So today we're going to have fun with these ghosts. I have two felt ones left and one foam one, and we're just going to try to make them more beautiful. So I'm going to make a couple of different styles, and I die cut one of these banners with the die I have, and another one I just cut out some pattern paper, and these ones I did put the letters Boo on there so we can I just made a banner like this, just kind of eyeballed it, and it was as simple as that. So, and the third one I'm going to get ready. I'm just going to cut like a banner, another type banner. So I don't want it that big. Maybe we'll do it for him. So I'm going to cut it down to around there. And we're just going to fishtail it. Oops. So I just made a cut down the center. And just cut up to the middle. Just like that. And next I'm just going to grab my white metallic marker. It is from the Dollar Tree. And maybe we'll write "Too Cute to Spook." Just like that. And because I already have the letters of Boo here, I think I'm going to write "Happy Haunting."
Just like that.
And I have these little nail stickers that I'm going to play with and see what should go where. So for the Happy Haunting, I'm going to go with the little bat. And with a spider. So adorable. And the "Too Cute to Spook, I'm going to go with this pumpkin here, making the funny face. And with the Boo, I'm going to use a couple of pumpkins here. I'll use a big white one. And maybe a little black one. And we're not done yet. And I've decided I'm going to put a couple other pumpkins on this side too. More over here. Oops. And I'm going to take another white one. Place it just like that. Alrighty. So now I'm going to take this ink. This is one from Michael's that I got out of the like dollar bin. Maybe it was 50 cents. I can't recall. I've had it for years. And it's pretty worn for white, but it's going to work perfect for this eerie color around the these banners. Awesome. I love it. Oh yeah. looking really good. And I'm just using the corner to kind of get in the corners here. Guess I should have did that first before they put the pumpkin on. And then we'll just get this one. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to add a little bit of eyelash trim on the side. So get that on. And get that glued down. Snip it off. Yeah, I really like that. So now we're going to add a touch of bling, of course. And I think I'm just going to put a couple of the clear ones here on this one. And I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. Make it stick that little bit better. And just add a touch of pizzazz, just like that. And I think I'll add 3 black ones down here. A little bit of glue. Make sure it's sticking really good. And maybe I'll just add 1 black one on this one. Maybe the end of the G. If I can get it on. Some of that glue under the excuse me, get some of that glue under there. And there we go. That I got from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. We probably all have them in our stash. They're all different colors. They're so cute. They're nail art, but yeah, I use them for crafting. So now that we're done with the banners, I'm going to glue this little tiny bow. So he's got the only space where I can really glue this down and hope it holds. So, or I guess he's a she now. But the other ones, it covers up the eyes. So that's no good. So I think I'm going to give her the Too Cute to Spook. So we just want a little bit of glue in the middle. And there we go. I think they all turned out adorable and another great way to use up your stash. Hope you enjoyed today's video, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.